Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And especially in this case, helps answering a question, a logical question, I think quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the bulls have been, making a very nice move, including today in and of itself, like I already pointed out, very nice move. But that brings up the question, is there any sort of true, genuine power behind this move? Is there any sort of, is it true, or is this just a dead cat bounce? That's kind of the best way to put it. Is it true, or is it a dead cat bounce, or in other words, a fake move? And I have no idea. But the good news is, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward, and it all revolves around a single level down here at $4.40. Now, real quick, I want to just illustrate this. So let me draw this pattern here. So what we had was today a technical pattern breakout, if you want to use charting lingo. And what we had was an ascending triangle seen by the blue, and then seen by this different color blue right there. Price broke above it, kind of back tested a little bit, and then finally started to separate from it. So I'm assuming I'm stating the obvious when I say that price movements with true power, that are true and not fake moves, are not dead cat bounces, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. Again, I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement's genuinely strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So that's why 440 is so important. Any sort of closes below 440, or if the price separates the downside, what is that doing? That's putting the price right back inside of the pattern. Again, going back inside of something, going backwards, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, the stair steps would still be continuing in the upwards direction. So yeah, to me, 440 is a very important level of support going forward for the remainder of the week for this very reason. As far as levels of resistance, I believe the bulls are knocking on the door of a pretty key level of resistance right now. Yeah, right there at $4.80. You can see 480 has been pretty stubborn and knocking down the price a couple times there. But like I said, bulls are right at that point, so it should be a good battle tomorrow. After $4.80, next key level up there at about $4.95. So no doubt about it, the bulls have been making some nice moves. Today was a very nice way to start off the week, so now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.